According to the Guardian newspaper and the Punch newspaper, right here, as far as Guardian report is concerned, is that federal government target 500,000 young entrepreneurs with YouthCred. And then the same way here, Punch newspaper, how to apply for federal government loan for caterer, fashion designers, and other. And in this tutorial, if you are a YouthCred member, you are not left behind, which simply means that you can also apply for this loan. So as a core member, how can you apply? Go ahead and come to the top right here. Click on this plus sign here to create a new tab. You can do this on your phone or PC or iPhone or what have you, provided that you have access to internet and a web browser. What you need to do next is to come to your browser right here and type in YouthCred and hit enter. And it's going to take you right here. What you need to do right here is to click on the first result right here, credcorps.ng. Click on that, and it's going to take you to the official web page right here. Then scroll down right here, continue to scroll down. As a YouthCred member, this is your category right here. You can see real credit training, bigger loan as you repay, low interest rate, fair terms, transparent pricing with no hidden fee. Go ahead and click on get started right here. And it's going to take you right here. The next thing you want to do is to simply click on NYSC Copper. And it's going to take you right here. So what you need here as an NYSC Copper member, enter your email address right here. Enter your NYSC number. This is an example right here. Then select your ID type. You can use your NYSC ID card, your NYSC deployment letter, NYSC call-up letter. These are the three things you can use as a YouthCred member for this particular flexible loan. The next thing you want to do, identification document upload. This upload of identity can be either PDF, JPEG, PNG, or WebP. So you can use any of these formats to save your means of identity, and the size must not be more than 10 megabytes. All you have to do is to click on upload and drag and drop your means of identity to this section. Lastly, you need to make sure you take your selfie. For that, click on take a photo. Now, in this section here, your PC must have a webcam. But in some cases, if your PC does not have a webcam, you can easily do this on your phone, provided that your phone has a selfie front camera, because you need to take your live picture. Here, take your live picture, click on and agree to the terms of service and privacy, and hit on continue to verify, and you are done. And an email of responded that received your application will be sent to your provided email right here. All you have to do is to keep tracking your mail for future reference and updates about your loan application as a YouthCred member. It's that simple. Let me know what you think about this particular tutorial in the comment section down below. For more useful tutorial tips and tricks like this, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.